What do you
like
think,
it?
Sam? Is that different? Daddy loves green beans.
Mmm.
He has this look like, what is this?
You seem pretty good.
Mm-hmm. He said it tastes better than that crap you gave me before.
Yum, yum, yum.
He's smiling. Um,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
this is easier than canned baby food, isn't it? It's probably a lot cheaper too.
Oh, a lot cheaper.
It's probably better for him, isn't it?
Your poo-poo's gonna be even more green. Ha ha ha.
I say we wait on the beef food. Hey, Sam. Oh, he wants it.
Is it good? You want to FaceTime with your mom?
Okay. That's good for
Oh, did you
this.
say what day it was? Or is it recorded on the video?
No, what is today? Today's
Sunday,
Sunday, January 12th.
2014.
Sam is eating green beans. He seems to have enjoyed them. We're going to
So now he's
FaceTime
choking.
with his
What's
granny.
wrong? Okay, you're